Hello everyone, this is Sandian. We are going to look at why specific Chinese character has specific tone number 3. We already looked at the tone number 1 principle and tone number 2 principle. So this time we are going to look at tone number 3 principle. Please never mind, this is Korean language and in English. We are going to look at tone number 3. Yeah, this one. Okay. Yeah, we are going to derive four major concepts from the shape of the tone number 3. It starts from here and going down and going up again. Okay. So from this shape, please focus on the English. This shape as having left and right and up and down, right? And from down to up, from down to up, and up and down, and down to up. And it is the shape, the concave in the middle. Yeah. Among the four tones in shapes, this is only the tone shape concave in the middle, and its lowest sound, it's low, lowering, and lowered from the start. Okay, so I have derived these four concepts from the shape of the tone number 3 of Mandarin. Yeah, 3 characters meaning water, this character, and meaning vessel, this one, and meaning owner, this one, all having the same tone number 3. Shui, shui, kan, zu. Yeah, the question is why these characters have tone number 3 value. Okay, you have not learned these characters, not yet. But I will explain why these characters have the specific tone number 3 conceptual value. Okay? The principle of tone number 3. Uh, as I said, meaning of individual character dictates or dominates the tone number value. We have derived from the shape of the tone number 3 the four major concepts, basic concept from the shape, having left and right, and up and down up, and up and down, concave in the middle, low, lowering, lowered. Okay, these are the main four concepts. We are going to start with this, the basic concepts, and what we will do is analogical expansion of the three-step concepts, expansion of the concepts. Tone number 3 starts from having left and right and up and down and up and up and down, and concave in the middle, low, lowering. Okay, then let's go to the next level of conceptual development. if we are in the situation having left and right and up and down, we need taking balance and harmony among them. Yeah, taking balance and harmony, up and down harmony, and left and right harmony and balance, right? And by being careful, thoughtful, safe, and stable, measures or something, whatever. So careful, thoughtful, safe, and stable. So this is the conceptual development. And next, down and up and down, reminds us the concept of moving. Yeah, just think about the waters in the valley, streaming in the valley, fluctuating, waving, flexible. Yeah, it is very soft, liquid, and fluid materials moving in quiet, slow, leisurely manner. Yeah, fluctuating, waving, flexible, which is soft, liquid, and fluid. Streaming, quiet, slow, and leisurely. Okay, can you imagine that? Just think about the water. Yeah. And the concept of concave in the middle reminds us of the shape of a vessel, container, and receptacle. Vessel, container, receptacle. Yeah. Kan. This is a vessel. Yeah, concave in the middle, right? The vessel and container embraces something, acceptant, maybe intolerance, right? Yeah. Which are the tools for embracing, acceptant, tolerant. Yeah, with a wide, spacious, and generous mind. If we want to accept intolerance, somebody we may hate, but if we have a wide, spacious, and generous mind, we can embrace all of them, right? So in this way, we are expanding the concepts. And lowered people normally become small, short, weak, few, little. Yeah. Just think about the child. They are small, short, weak. Yeah, in numbers, few, little, amount, even in amount. Yeah. Therefore, they might be humble, modest, and obedient. Humble, modest, obedient, which is actually beautiful, good, and wise. In the end, in life, maybe beautiful, good, and wise. So we can derive these conceptual values from the shape of the tone number 3. These 4 major key basic concepts. So if a Chinese character has 1 or 2 or even more conceptual values in this table, that character will have the tone number 3 value. So we can easily remember the character has got the value of tone number 3. So For Chinese learners, Chinese character and Chinese language learners, it can be a guideline for them to easily and quickly catch the tone number principle for each character. Okay, thank you very much for your listening, and see you next time for tone number 4 value. Okay, thank you, see you next time.